Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your email address on Poshmark. If you are looking for a way to change your email address on Poshmark, then here is how you can do it. Open a web browser and go to poshmark.com and search. Also make sure to log into your Poshmark account, and once you're in, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner, which will then open up several menus on the display. Click on account settings from the list, and then you'll be able to open up the account settings page. Click on the account info button from the left hand side menu, and you'll be able to see your username, email, password and phone number option. If you want to change your email address, simply go ahead and click the change button right next to your registered email. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. Go ahead and enter the new email address you'd like to change for your Poshmark account. Once it's done, click on done. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your email address on Poshmark. Now you'll receive a confirmation that you have changed your email address on Poshmark, and that is how you should be able to change or update your email. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.